touch this. Give me a song or rhythm, making them sweat. That's what I'm giving them now. They know. You talk about the hammer, you talking about a show that's hot and tight. Singles are sweating so fast, I'm a white boy. To learn what's going to take in the 90s to burn the charts. Legit, get to work hard or you might as well quit. That's the word, because you know you can't touch this. You can't touch this. Break it down. Hammer time. Go with the flow. It is said.